What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys, and today I'm unboxing the Sony A6400. I purchased this camera simply because I got tired of recording videos on my cell phones and for a little bit of photography and a little bit of vlogging. That was the purpose of me buying this camera. So I'm just going to go over a little bit of the specs. I'm not really a camera guy. I don't know too much about DLs, digital camera, mirrorless camera, but I'll just tell you guys what I know. Here are the specs. The camera has a APS-C size 24.2 megapixel. The ISO is 100 to 32,000, 11 frame per second. Phase detection 425 autofocus points. Real-time eye tracking, real-time tracking, silent shooting, touch, focus, and shutter. This camera also has 4K HDR. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, Dolby audio, and all that good stuff. The screen also flips up, for those who vlog a lot and you like to see yourself in frame and focus while vlogging. The screen flips up. That's another thing that I really enjoy about this camera. Like I said, I haven't really been into photography or cameras like that. I usually been recording my videos with my cell phone, but this is my first mirrorless camera and I have no issues, no problems with it. The picture quality is great, the videos are great, and I'm happy. The camera also has a touch screen. If I would say, if there's anything that annoys me, is the fact that it's a touch screen, but you can't use that touch functionality in the settings of the camera. That's the only downsides to this camera that I think that I've noticed so far. I've been using it for a couple of about a week and a half now. Yeah, it's about a week and a half. So if there's anything, is the effect that you can't really touch in the settings. But other than that, it's a great camera. If you're a person that vlog a lot, you're gonna find it annoying that the fact once the screen is flipped out, the microphone gets in the way. Unless you have a microphone that's small enough to not block the screen when you're recording yourself, or the best thing to use is a wireless microphone with this camera, since the screen doesn't flip to the side like the Canon cameras do. So that might be annoying for some people, but like I said, a wireless microphone may be the best choice, or something small, or an attachment. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.